Your Chromebox is a mini computer. So anything that you can do on your computer or your Chromebook or your laptop, you can do on the panel, including these tools right over here. So you can choose this button. It will let you write on it. If you choose it more than one time, it will change the color. There's a highlighter tool, so if you see something on a web page that you want to highlight for the students, you can just go through and highlight. You can mark things up. Oops. You can mark things up. You can sweep it clean. You can write things and then close it out, and it will take it away. You can also save anything that you need to save over there. It will save it as an image. And then you can access anything on the web, any video, any interactive site that you want to take your students to. You can go to your drive and access any of your Google Slides, your docs, your PDFs. You can let's see, I'm in Epic now, and I'll choose a video to play. The sound settings in your Chromebox are going to be in multiple locations, so the video that you're playing will have usually a sound feature in itself, so you can check that if you're having sound issues. You can also press the buttons that are on the panel itself, and then right down here at the time, if you choose the time, touch it, there's a sound button here, so sometimes that will be muted if your sound isn't working, so just go and turn it back on in full volume. That usually corrects it. I have had my panel attempt to connect to some Bluetooth speakers that I have in my room and that are not nearly as loud, so I usually keep my Bluetooth off unless I'm trying to connect my phone to the panel for something. If your Chromebox is ever acting a little wonky, something that you can try is checking to make sure that it's up to date. I actually just updated mine, but this is how you check. You click the little settings wheel, and then about Chrome OS. This will also work on your laptop or your desktop if you're using Chrome. If you click about Chrome OS over here, it will say check to see if your device is up to date. I did that, and I needed an update, so mine is almost up to date, but I have to restart the Chromebox, which I'm not ready to do at the moment. But if your Chromebox settings, if the screen resolution is not to your liking, you can also address that here under device, and then displays. You can change your display size to make things just a little bigger or a little smaller to your liking. And then here, let's check out the volume now. It's much louder.
Let's get started on the lesson. People come.
The sound of your Chromebox through your panel should be plenty loud enough for a classroom, and if it's not, then we can definitely address that issue. I also highly recommend a wireless keyboard and mouse. Mine are connected with my little micro USB right up here inside my Chromebox. I do not like an on-screen keyboard. I think those are a pain, and so this was like a $12 thing that we can buy with some tech fee money, and it's much better. It makes life